chance na nag-cheat din kayo and then how you overcome it, if, I don't know if you wanna answer it or not or be honest, diba? Parang gano'n. Or kung meron man, na-overcome mo ba yung cheating na yun? Sama si Derek.
Si Derek muna.
Ako, oo. Elementary K, high school, yes. Naalala ko nung may time pala ng high school na parang lumabas yung teacher namin. It's a periodical exam. Tapos parang buong class yata yung nag-cheat na. Oo. Kasi pasahan ng answer sheet. Hindi po, pasok mo to, gano'n. Kasi kaya natuto kami magkabisado na A, B, C, C, D, D, gano'n. Kung paano pwedeng abbreviate yung answer. Kasi we have to memorize 10 letters, 10 answers kagad. So, yes, naranasan ko naman din mag-cheat. Hindi ako proud doon. Of course, hindi naman siya. Pero, I've learned my lesson kung bakit siya, dapat hindi siya ginagawa. So, yun yung bagay na maganda doon. Pero, I think parang, it's part of a student life na nag-cheat. Parang nag-cheat pa kayo, guys. Yun, di ba?
Ako naman po, looking back, parang wala. Kasi growing up, I was a very nerdy kid, was very strict sa school ko, very tedious sa studies at sa after-school activities. So, wala naman.
Ito yung question na hindi lang sa school ha, even dun sa little things na mupit, parang gano'n, or may mga bagay na sukle, parang gano'n. Not just on the school, parang gano'n, para may idea rin.
Kung hindi naman sa school, siguro po sa games, mahilig din ako mag-video games. So, noon I would Google the cheat codes kung paano. Pero hanggang doon na.
Ako same. Dati sa PSP, nung bata pa ako, uso dati yung GTA sa PSP, di ba? So may mga cheat codes yan. Yun lang naman. Kasi if sa school naman, parang you're trying to find shortcut ways. Pero not to the point na you do cheating from it. Parang minsan hindi mo nababasahin yung buong lesson. Hanapin mo na yung mismong sagot di ba? Pero hindi mo siya syempre gagamitin sa actual exam. Pero you find shortcut ways lang para mapabilis lang yung pag-aaral mo. Pero yun, in other ways siguro yung sa PSP nga, tama, sa games.
We already answered this last story. Pero looking back, I think I did when I was in elementary. Pero when I moved to the US, in middle school and high school, ako din nagpapakopya. Kasi that's how I made friends nung una. Because I was like in the parang nerdy group. I really like math. And then, yeah, I think, normal naman for being a student. Like, if you wanted to make friends back then, and then, kahit yung mga homework lang. Pero sa test, no.
I guess sometimes. Yeah, like same with video games. Sometimes, okay, look, I make effort, okay? I will make an effort, I will try as much as I can. When it comes to like an hour or hours later and I just cannot figure it out, sometimes I'll look it up online. I can go walk through, I play the walkthrough sa YouTube.
Thank you. Last na kay Derek, follow up ka lang po. Derek, kasi yung movie is parang just 1 hour and less than 2 hours, di ba? And this is series. Kumbaga, paano nyo po pinahaba yung story, di ba? At paano nyo na ipasok yung mga Filipino tradition dito para mas maging interesting sa mga Filipino viewers?
Malaking factor kasi di ba sa atin as a viewers is that tayo pag nanood is that mas gusto natin makilala yung character, yung backstory niya, the family, the people behind the character, di ba? Kumbaga, mga tao na kapaligid kay Lynn, kay Bang, kay Matt. So, we made sure nung ginawa namin itong series, nung inumpisahan pa lang na talagang inaral namin na ito, na mapakita lahat ng side nila na parang, kaya pala ganun yung character ni Lynn kasi may ganitong aspect. Or yung character ni Bang, bakit siya ganito kaporsige. Of course, we know that as a movie na it's because na para matulungan yung kanisa. Pero what's the story behind that? Bakit niya pinupush yung sarili niya? Ano bang issue yung meron or pinagdadaanan na problema ng tao doon sa pamilya? And yun yung maganda doon na parang mas na-explore namin na kumpara kasi syempre kapag pelikula, we only have 2 hours or more than an hour para ipakita yung lahat. Ito, we were given the time na para ma-explore lahat ng kumbaga lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ng bawat characters. And doon namin na-inject yung mga Filipino cultures and traditions and at the same time na yung personality nila makita. Kaya for me, buong uwi yung series maganda siya in a way kasi nakilala namin ng staff, kumbaga ng artista ng buong makikilala ninyo as a viewers yung bawat character and what makes Bad Genius, what makes good decisions or good moves nila na naging ganito yung epekto.
Thank you, Direk.